forest reserve ne gold board for ko fund the reclamation no chairman won to me any lawyer who say chairman won to me cases ni bia e wo court no Tano Nimiri ya ka ho bi na ene yi na third a year state witness no chairman the defense lawyer a year lawyer Apia Kubi odia ne ye ba be boy ya osuma no Apia Kubi yes 3 hours state witness no and a cross examination nya asem ketwa na nchiwa show kra ba ho kra se the Tano Nimiri forest no babia ewo location ebi say our win district we say ha and wa just say unnecessary inkwana ekoso hodumiti forest na crophobia kwakwa seno ene Ghana ebe boka through Ghana gold board asanya forest back bi mu no and also court proceedings akoso ene anyame yadomo a we are told 29th June and as a case no so beto akoso ebiem asani
Mene
yemfa we en chance ne yemfa nwura eye wontumi issues no because forest reserve ne at the end nyina ka ho bie this has come from gold board and other institutions are our partner for to reclaim our lands.
mena se yɛmfa kwanya so yɛnkyia atiefo ne ahwɛfo nyinaa. Rans, it is evidently clear as we sit here say ekoba ne say a particular sector mpanyimfo akyɛ wɔ hɔ na obi mu ka sɛ yɛhia fresh blood, fresh brains ne noma na deɛ yɛhu Awura Mahama aye in this governance where he has appointed young men and women indeed that kind of saying say we need fresh blood, fresh brains, young men and women. The meaning as we speak today is now clear. Ura Samejemfi Esquire plus the first CEO Gold Board, Deputy Defense Minister Ura Bruja Jemfi, and in a pound for Oshe Omu age. Any normal omo yenwa. It tells you, say, it is important, say, in building a nation, critical people who are needed are the youths. Gone were the days when the adage goes like, the youths are our future leaders. I think that Mahama's appointment of these young guys has proven that the youth are today's leaders. Because when it comes to technology, the youth are on top. When it comes to thinking through, and I said thinking outside the box, to, as it were, create a new system, the youth are on top. And I am not surprised with all that Samej Mfit does, with all that Deputy Defense Minister is doing, plus Forestry Commission, where we also have young guys. At least Nimkra, Deputy CEO, a friend is saying, Elikem Kotoko, as one of the smartest guys in the NDC. Yeah, even though I went to him, no name fear kwedim kakra, but then Atabo ade or you'll be on also that do. And then the CEO himself. For him, I don't know him, but I am sure that Omwa Transi Adwin Ehu say there is the need for Ghana to ensure say the greenhouse gases are here can be bribe say ekowiemu na ekotiti your friend is ozone layer no ade a betumi asi ano no ebi ni say sabe ebedua enua. Until they have come to realize that it is only proper say ibekwa reclaiming those lands na yama assassin a healing. But Rance, it is very interesting, like you said, is it coincidence that this particular issue about Tano Nimiri forest, obimo, and yes, I'm a phone a baby you, nipa.
Yeah.
And as we speak, there's no evidence to show say Obiwo NDC munokoye sadia.
Dabi.
Right.
Dabi.
And if whatever it is by design, NASA, Gold Board, Ministry of Defense, Forestry Commission, ebe use the military regiment to go and reclaim it. Sabe, excavators na de be ye adwuma na enye nsuo ne de be gumo.
Yeah, no correct.
Ye be boka wo ho.
Yeah.
Into the cost of reclamation of the 50 hectares no. Nipa no it is alleged. So on no ko wura mu di sa nyamona nsem no. Sisi otiase o. Into the cost should be added to whichever monies or whichever sentence or more demand on the say. This is the cost of your stupidity or this is the cost the cost incurred as a result of your insensitivity.
Okay. Or your callousness.
Yes. Or your naiveness. Or your greed to make money at all costs, right? And it is important, say, the cost should be surcharged to the person whom it is alleged, say, oh no, quite sad, you know. Say, someone yet never bonus ampa, and I'm the son of 50 hectares, no, it could do baby a druna. I think, say, a ma Ghana buying a ma taxpayer no best cost. They should let him pay. Look, one thing we are not realizing, it is alleged say you're freezing one to me, ne accounts mo.
Yeah.
But don't forget, say, I don't think say one to me during the time I went to gold or the church or TV so. Ni gold bars no. What the people could go Bank of Ghana. And I said you 2 years are turning in aje fiscal cash. Massa, the guy has raw gold somewhere in the country. He has raw gold either in the country or outside the country somewhere. Into one number was me, I see him as Obia or Weska papa. And for that matter, no, a man and him mobo na why you know my yen treating with kids growth. Na on fan hundi. The guy has money. He can pay this 30 million. Our kwaji Ghana exim.
Yeah.
Plus the reclamation. Because the Okoye here, so what say about 30 hectares of land? And yes, as a ketwa.
Easy.
Ntu wogidi so bese asase no wanya kapre wo. Esika onya wo mu no. We must let him account for those monies. Nti see ebe kan so ye be use military. O mbe kwesi ebe fidi wo mo. Ye be to diesel. Even excavator no kra ye de koye sa adwuma no. Ye sika ne ye de toye. All these things salaries the memo aduane ombedi throughout to ensure say and tree planting in you no say yebekwa koto seedlings no say seed no near nursery whatever it is no. Everything is a cost, and I plead with this government say omudi asem na say bow to me a omo ma enkoba ne say sa cost of reclamation no, it will be on the neck of the taxpayer. Omo say charge no. Maka. And if you have read the history of MPP for would the next about your country, more lose or more MPs in and come 2 seats. When NPP has 2 seats or 2 MPs, they are more dangerous than 1,000 MPs. Ebina sanko for you or money nama or muchanto, kukwase intro mucha, any Afari hospital, you won't intro mucha. So these people, they don't build, they destroy. Woshe nanadu amemu obebuye. Omu free ho. In fact, we got to know that they were very corrupt. But omu free ho ni ebehu say, hey, sa de no na e bompa o. Every sector omu jai kronodie wo ho. Every sector they ruined the place. And for me, this idea by Gold Board, together with Ministry of Defense and Forestry Commission, is a laudable one. And I pray say NDC mebu no dodo na apedwuma ye meboa. Military nso na ebe take control.
Yeah.
To ensure say ye bedua nua. Nti anka ye reclaiming nanka nursing of the seed and as a seedlings to go and plant no. Nanka that catchment no ya employ youth no. What the boy young can say and found so ye MPP ni na NDC ni. Ye recruit youth no enka ho a military be supervise. Nti omo nursing no na at least kete wo se sky ye de yes adwuma no nanka ye tuetue omo kakra. It will create employment for the youth. And for me, if it is narrowed down, say, okay, constituency executives are more that catchment area. Group your people and take part. I am all for it. Kobane said military nunkwa koya. Fine, it's okay. But then, yenim said, they want to earn something small. Until as part of creating job for the grassroots, no, omonfa sadie shame. Na said ye recruit blue water guards yamfa youth ni bi na soldier for na ye adwuma no a na omusu edi akire. They can do the nursery of the trees or whatever it is that is going to be planted there. Eche sanka ye level kono na omusu omudi akire na omudua ebeboa am at least obi aka say man ban no me call ye tree planting for reclamation no bibi kakra aba mesem ebeboa.
I see.
Na in conclusion no, I pray that these so-called things that we are hearing, say, oh, if I have to apologize to Mahama, I will do it. We are hearing that, oh, a certain group of people will go to Lordina Mahama to plead on behalf of Wuntumi. We are hearing a certain group of people will go to Mahama and go and plead on behalf of Wuntumi. This is a test case to this government when it comes to our justice system regarding Wuntumi. Because Obi and to me, your friend is ene news. Near say Obi omo koye fuel station robbery no. Say police for achi omo. Omo say physical cash omo nya ho no na 2,500 Ghana cedis.
2,500.
2,500. And omo say other things kan.
Yeah.
Wunim years I sent us omo 20 and 30.
20
each.
and 30.
Yes.
For 2,500.
And then number obo koye ho no. Nti so Obi be fa 30 million wo de frakada mo nyansa kro no.
Yeah.
Akọ bank akọ kanse mama miska na mekodo afuo na wakoje 30 million wo wi na watwa pictures abechiro mo no wasa another budget se mama me 4 million ka ho na say the 30 million na no na in the course of say ye di asam kropo no it is alleged say okoyesa nka one bank no ekoye meeting na what plead say obetue ska no. It means say this guy has accepted the fact and permit disagree mo. Nti amaye man in first can in no be a omukọ robbery no. I'm not condoning with robbery. Omunya 2,500 pen no. Omo eko 10 years and 30 years. No be offer 30 million. Was say a forest ni other things account. Na ye beka say ye ko pacho. Menua
Enye dwuma sa.
say ekoba say ye sentence no. Na enya me dese ye no be kwakotum because we nipa me so ye nipa. But when you deliberately dupe the system and you must go alone. Nti see a patcho na e be a sentence no say 5 years or 10 years so ya more appeal na be reduce no. Hey, this government monye careful because election e wo corner ha ya mo ankasa mo microphone be betumi atran fie say for ABCD that you did your inactions or actions on these particular areas no agbano kropo yankoto ma MPP yenso yanto ma NDC nti die electorate na hwehwe no the citizen taxpayer no hwehwe no mesra ban se onyamaye e chopa bia me na asem bia se bam
Yeah.
because nkrofo di yawu no omu di ani pomposity parties ahoro they were throwing parties in the skies. See you here Freddie Blay oni John Bodumo na party omo to play mu.
Yeah.
All the videos and pictures came out and yami na me course no ko try. You understand? They did not can't say Emamu party will play more. But despite us in the face of the things that they were doing, no more we saw the videos. Inti a chop panel de say ya no kre senko foko boba mo so moko pachewa. Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Your Excellency Lordina Mahama. Madam. Munhu ye mobo. na sa chopa no man mfa mu mfichire kura medase
Okay, beso me da say onsama wo kan. Ghana fo nyina hwe. More present mama video be about illegal mining and the campaigns. Or say Ghana say koso krom haram no. Enye nkora nketenkete ya excavator krom ntimi ntobi no. Nyom no mu yo. Krofo bi na eden ehihye kire. From next week going, best start about those voices no to remind the president.
yes
Victor Solomon. May his soul rest in peace. A learned lawyer, Shachuchi Kata. Ye jeli no. Kodel fiase. He will be in swinch obi okroma. Enti ye nyina de ani tra honom.
Dainty. It was a lesson.
Misappropriation.
Misapplication. Misappropriation. Say esika bi and or dia koye.
Yeah, I think say for esika koto book. And or the kokoto.
Kodua mo
But
ni nyina for the state.
For the state.
Oh,
that's a misappropriation.
There be misapplication. Misappropriation.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Checking it. You misapplied the funds.
Yeah.
It's what?
Misapplication.
Misapplication. You misapply to the funds. Instead sanke say what they told a friend say insuo we no. What they call microphone.
But ni nyina
no for the company or for the state.
For the state.
Nti so okay say misappropriation nti say
enti ye nyina ye he. Near very mind the president. When I'm saying you know the case in the
at a very old age.
Of course. And now, all now, what is your manifesto? No, Ghana for Obi say, Modia, Mobile Mamma constructed quine, Mamusi Hospital, Munjeli one. Munjeli one mine, Mufom Gum Keke. Because not Ghanaians believed at that time, say, Bonibia de Akoso. Eti, Yenina Yeshe. And I know, say, and conquer and no be a sakeke. You didn't judgment about the Yanti, Sabiku Arabiku be.
Misappropriation is the unauthorized, dishonest, or illegal use of someone else's property, funds, or assets for one's own personal benefit or purpose different from what the owner intended.
Okay, so
misapplication.
Misapplication. Okay, it is your misapplication.
No.
Okay. Okay, Palmy host natural mineral water waha and no one no Mr. Wada. Pebito Nemo Sanson a heart builders select state or more assassin.